These three things may be slowly killing you, and you may not even realize it. Everyone, my name is Dr. Nathan Bryan, international leader in molecular medicine and nitric oxide biochemistry. When we look at three common practices in American medicine and American culture that are leading to a drop in nitric oxide production and then a rapid onset of chronic disease, those are antiseptic mouthwash, overusing antibiotics, and antacids. All three of those completely disrupt nitric oxide production. We'll take those step by step. So antiseptic mouthwash, we and others have published for the past 15 years that if you use an antiseptic mouthwash, it destroys the oral microbiome, disrupts the nitric oxide producing bacteria in the oral cavity on the crypts of the tongue, and leads to a drop in nitric oxide production. We see an increase in blood pressure in people who use antiseptic mouthwash. The next is antibiotics. Over 200 million prescriptions written in the U.S. alone for antibiotics. And look, antibiotics are extremely important and necessary for acute infections. But we're overusing those and destroying the microbiome, the gut microbiome, the oral microbiome. And it's known that overuse of antibiotics leads to gut dysbiosis and can cause systemic disease. And then the big culprit, and probably one of the most dangerous drugs on the market, are antacids, specifically proton pump inhibitors. These are the Prilosec, the Prevacid, the Nexium, the Omeprazoles, the Pantoprazole of the world. These drugs have been clinically shown to increase heart attack, stroke, and Alzheimer's by as much as 30 to 40%. And when you look at mechanistically what's causing increase in heart attack, stroke, and Alzheimer's, it's because these drugs are completely shutting down nitric oxide production. They're decreasing nitric oxide production in the lining of the blood vessels because they increase a molecule called asymmetric dimethyl L-arginine, or ADMA, that acts as a competitive inhibitor of arginine binding to the NOS enzyme, and it's completely shutting down nitric oxide being produced in the lumen of the stomach when we swallow our own saliva, getting the benefits from the diet. If we can't make stomach acid, we do not get a nitric oxide benefit from the diet. So if you're on antacids, you must wean off or they will kill you. If you're using antiseptic mouthwash, you must stop. Employ strategies to restore the microbiome. Don't destroy it. And then antibiotics, again, work with your physician. If you've got an acute infection, by all means, take an antibiotic. But, use some rigor, use some discrepancy in how long you use those. Go through the normal course, which your physician prescribes and recommends. But limit antibiotic use because it completely destroys the microbiome. And then if you go through a regimen of antibiotics, then focus on restoring the microbiome with prebiotics or probiotics. But you want to live a long, healthy life, you have to get rid of antibiotics, you have to get rid of antiseptic mouthwash, and you have to completely stop using antacids.